Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I'm going to show you some happy planners that I'm adding to my planner lineup for 2024. And I'll probably go ahead and start using some of these here at the end of 2023. So if you watched my other lineup video, you know that I'm using, as my catch-all in my home planner, I'm using the Passionate Penny Pincher. So for my main planners, I'm using Christian-owned planner companies, their planners. So I have the Passionate Penny Pincher's home planner. For work, which is an hourly, I'm going to use the Passionate Penny Pincher's new work planner. And for, wasn't there four? I can't remember. For my, like Bible study and Bible journaling type planner, I'm going to be using the Prayerful Planner. So, and then I have these, and I'll go through and tell you what I'm going to use each one for. Let's start with this mini happy planner. I have missed mini happy planner so much. And so this is, you guys know that my first love happy planner is the dashboard layout, and I love the mini dashboard layout. I was in Hobby Lobby and I saw this one, and it is just gorgeous. The mint color with the mint discs, and it's got like rose gold foiling in it. This is just gorgeous, y'all. It's so pretty. So let's just real quick take a look. You have the stripes on the inside, your cover page, your 2 years at a glance, and then you have like these perpetual calendars in the front. So you'll see that it's very neutral. There are some polka dots along the spine. This is January's divider. More polka dots, and then on your weeklies you have the polka dots. I actually quit using the dashboard layout and started making my own because I really liked, if you guys remember a few years ago, the homebody layout that had the long checklist on the dashboard page. I prefer that. So they actually started making all their dashboard layouts that way. So I'm super excited to start using this again. But anyways, you can see it's going to be easy to decorate because all you have are some polka dots down the center. So that's February, March, April. This is a 12-month planner. May, June, July, August, and now my puppy's going to start eating. So you're going to hear him crunching on some food. This is my rescue, my three-legged puppy. This is September, October, November matches the cover. I love the colors. And then December. And then your last page is just a final thought. So that's the mini that I'll be using as a planner in my purse. And then we have the classic size dashboard layout. I think this is a mom planner. It says there is joy in simplicity, and it has some gold foiling on it. So this is the classic size. If you'll notice, if you're new to Happy Planner, the mini size has 7 discs, and the mini discs are small compared to the classic discs. I'm going to go take his food away. Now I feel like a horrible person because I took his food away. But anyways, so this is a dashboard layout. I think it's a mom planner. I plan on using this as like a home maintenance binder. So I have some half sheet inserts. If you remember, I have the meal planning inserts that are available on my website as printables. So I printed a bunch of the kitchen inventory, freezer inventory, and I have pantry inventory, and then a grocery list. So I did those like double-sided. I had to do it manually to get them in the order that I wanted them. But I did, so ideally, every week or month or whenever I go to the grocery store, ideally, I will have a kitchen inventory first, then a freezer, and then a pantry inventory, and then a grocery list based off of what are on those inserts. And then also in that meal planner, we have meal ideas and favorite meals. I love to keep a list of favorite meals. If you've been here a long time, like a few years, then you remember I used to always use my dashboard layout to do meal planning, and I had lists of our favorite meals, ingredients, common ingredients, things like that. So I want to kind of get back to that. I also have my cleaning planner inserts. I kind of wrote in some things. I'm not exactly sure which of these inserts I'm going to be using, but I kind of put the house into zones. So I'm kind of setting all this up for now. But so this will be like meal planning, home maintenance type planner. So this is Tired as a Mother, and you'll see some of the quotes are like mom quotes. But you have your 2 years at a glance here, and then you have your perpetual calendars at the front. So cherish every moment, and it says mom. And then this is a very neutral planner as well with the polka dots down the spine. So it's the same layout as the small one or the mini that I just showed you. So let's just go ahead and look at the dividers now. Kindness is the greatest wisdom. There's March. April, love is patient. I wish they'd have put the regular or the rest of the scripture here, but you know. May, be present in the moment. June, best mom ever. July, when you love what you have everything you need. August, my favorite people call me mom. September, good things take time. October, busy days, happy hearts. November, always choose to act with a kind heart. And then December, new day, fresh start. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to redate something to go ahead and start using these planners now, because I know that, and if you're new to the Happy Planner, these are from the fall release. Happy Planner always has a spring release where they offer 18-month planners. So I always end up having extra inserts. So I don't mind redating and using a planner early before it officially starts, because I can always find more weeks or inserts to use. Also, I got these at Michael's. I don't know if this sale will be going on by the time you watch this, but Michael's had a 25% off everything sale. So I only paid like $15 for these planners. You cannot beat that for a Happy Planner. So Hobby Lobby, I did pay full price for my mini planner, but that one's hard to find. So anyways, okay. This is the horizontal layout. If you've been here for a little while, you remember that I was doing journaling in my horizontal planner. I really, really, really miss that. So I want to go back to my journaling where I decorate the spread and then I journal about my day. I'm also in this planner going to be using these came out of, I don't remember, one of the printable sets that I sell on my website. Let me check and see which one that is. It's in my Bible, Gratitude, and Devotional set of printables. So I really like this Daily Gratitude because it has morning and evening. So I printed out a bunch of these, and again, I haven't set all these up yet. I'll do a separate video showing how I set them all up. But I need to track lots and lots of things. So I always end up, and I don't know if this is just me, maybe this is TMI, but when it comes time to close to my time of the month per se, I always end up having like a lot of body aches and pains, like my neck will hurt, my back will hurt, or my upper back. So I really want to start tracking those so that I can see the flow of things. I don't know what Trip's doing, but if you hear noise in the background, it's the rescue puppy. I don't know what he's doing over there. He's probably being mean because I took his food away. Okay, so this is called Papillon. I don't know if I said that or not, but this is the butterflies. It's got the year 24 up here in gold foil. And it is a neutral planner as well with the polka dots down the spine. So we have the same thing as all the other planners. Oh, and I did check on that Michael's coupon. It was the Friends and Family sale, and it actually ended on the 12th, which is the day I'm filming it. So this is your January divider. I'm not a crazy butterfly person, but these will do for a journal. These are fine for a journal. So we have our monthly and then our weeklies. I'm so glad they took out the really dark lines and just put the gray lines. And now my camera's shaking because Trip just hit the desk. I don't know. But so very neutral, very easy to decorate. So let's just look at the dividers real quick. Grow with the flow. Happy. Focus. Just when the caterpillar thought her life was over, she began to fly. I like that. Stay wild and free. Butterflies. This is August. Be still. See, if we'd have just put the rest of the scripture on there. Here we are stealing scriptures and not giving credit to the one who said them. But that's a whole nother story. You have so much beauty. Share it with the world. Again, of the scripture thing, that's why I wanted to use like Christian-based companies. And I am going to be using them. But this Happy Planner is my first love. And Stephanie, when she owned it, she, I feel like, was a woman of faith, but she did sell the company, so it's a little different now. But anyways, Shine Bright for October. November, Hello to a Happy Life, and then December is more butterflies, and then your last page is a notes page that's dot grid. So that is the horizontal layout that I'll be using for a journal. And then the last planner that I'm just going to be using for mock-up spreads, and this is actually a deluxe, so I did pay maybe like $20 for this one, but it's got the black metal discs on it. It's got a little bit more color in it than I like, but it's a vertical layout. So this says always be kind and brave with gold foiling, but it's more of like an animal print planner. It's got the dark animal print down the spine, which I mean is okay. These pages are colored. And then we get to our monthly. You have the pink animal print. Does it change? It changes with every month. So we're just going to have to work around that as I decorate them. But otherwise it's fairly neutral, except with a little bit of color in the spine. So I'm just going to use these for mock spreads to use my stickers in. So February has, let's check this out, has the black and white. March has this kind of zebra stripe in like a khaki tan color. April, we're back to the pink. And then May is black and white. June, new adventures await. This is silver foil, so that's kind of cute. And that's that zebra stripe. So it's going to go between those three. It's going to rotate. This is July. August. September is silver, almost, well, yeah, it's silver foil. October. November, gold foil. And December, create your own happiness. And then your notes page is dot lined with like a zebra print in the background. And then that's your back cover. So again, this one will just be for mock spreads. I don't really have a plan. I may have a plan eventually, but I don't have a plan right now for this planner. So these are the 4 planners that I'll be adding to my lineup. I know that's a lot of planners, and I mean, I won't use them all religiously. At least I don't think I will. If I do, that would be great. But I do want to have them just for the sheer joy that planners bring me, if that makes sense. So anyways, that's it for the rest of my lineup for 2024, which is subject to change at any given moment because that's how I roll. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you want to see spreads in these planners and all of my other planners, then hit the subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye, guys.